Hey guys, so I'm starting off with my Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette, and I'm using the color Tan just to lay down as my transition shade. And I'm using my Sigma E40 blending brush to lay this down, just using windshield wiper motions and then buffing out the edge. And then I'm going to go in with some Scotch tape, lining it up with the outer corner of my eye and the tail end of my brow, just to give a really nice, clean, crisp line. Then I'm going back in with the color Dusty Mauve, and I'm using this on my Sigma E25 brush just to pack the color on a little bit more and give a little more definition to the outer corner as well as the crease. Then I'm going in with the color Toffee just to warm it up a little bit and blend that through. And then I'm going in with the color Tulle, which is a really pretty shimmery baby pink. And I'm just packing this all over the lid. And I'm also taking this up just above my crease just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. Then I'm going in with the Lorac Mega Pro palette. This is the original one. And I'm taking Mulberry and applying this on the outer corner, packing on the color, and then sweeping it through the crease as well. And then I did also drag this up a little bit so that it kind of has that cat eye look and mimics the shape of a wing. So again, just packing that color on, dragging it through the crease, and just making sure I blend out the corner just a little bit so it kind of flicks upward. Then I'm going in with the color Orchid just to kind of blend all of those colors together and give it more of a pinky hue. Then to highlight the eyes, I'm going in with the color Vanilla, and I'm applying this right underneath my brows as well as the inner corners of my eyes. This is just really going to brighten everything up and really make the eyes pop. Then after that, I'm all done with the shadows, so I'm going to take off the tape. And I'm going to go in and line my eyes with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the color Trooper. And I'm just going to start by lining the edge of my eye. And then for the wing, I'm just going to kind of follow the edge of the shadow that the tape left and use that as a guide. Then moving on to the face, I'm going in with my Becca Backlight Priming Filter just to give my skin a little bit of a glow. And then I'm going to go in and conceal with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I just had a facial and had some extractions, so my skin is kind of freaking out and looking crazy right now. Then I'm going to go in with my Pro Longwear Foundation from MAC, and I'm applying this with a damp beauty sponge. This is the one by Real Techniques. And then I'm going to go in and highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am absolutely in love with this stuff. It's like the best to highlight your face. And then again, I'm just blending it out with the same sponge. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And for under my eyes, I'm actually going to use that same sponge to set that powder and kind of bake the area as well as under my contour line. And then I'm going to set everything like normal with my Real Techniques setting brush. And then I'm also going to just wipe away all of that excess powder. Then moving on to bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to contour my face. And then I'm also going in with this Sigma blush in the color Nymphaea and applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending it backwards into that bronzer. Then for highlighter, I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Gleam Glow Kit. I'm going to use the color Starburst. It just has a really pretty pinky hue to it. And I'm applying this to the tops of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my nose, and also just a little bit underneath my brow bone as well to kind of bring the glow all throughout the look. Then I'm going back in with the color Orchid on a small smudge brush and applying this from the outer corner to the inner corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm taking a more defined brush and I'm taking Mulberry and I'm just pressing this along my lash line really closely, but I'm only taking this about halfway in. Then I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm lining my bottom waterline just to really open up the eye look as well, and then finishing it off with a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. Then for the lips, I'm going in with this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Mannequin. I wanted to stick with a really pretty pinky nude, and I thought this was perfect for this look. And then I'm just going to finish it all off with a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus. So that is everything for this look today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, as well as subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!